Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're going to have an extended run with the RGT chassis and 3D printed Series 2. For those who might not have seen the truck, it's a leaf-sprung RGT RC4 derivative. It came with a Jeep body and it's usually called a military simulation vehicle on eBay. We're running the stock 390 motor at the moment with the rather small gearbox. It's okay for the most part, but it could really do with a bit more torque, even just in the woodland trails. There's a WP1040 ESC, which of course works fine, and a super cheap 2.5 gig radio. We're running on a 2S LiPo, nothing special. It's a round pack this time, but that's just because I already had it charged and ready to go. The only upgrade of any significance on the chassis are the RC 4-wheel drive mud thrashers. They're nice and soft and really do make a huge difference over the stock tyres. They do grip especially well in the dry conditions that we've got at the moment. The only real flaw in the setup is with the weight of the body, the suspension sags to the point that the dampers are bottomed out. We did add some little bits of silicone fuel tube to act as buffers so they won't get damaged, but it's still not ideal. It's kind of a droop leaf-sprung setup. Right, I'm going to go now and leave the video running. There's going to be no music, as usual, so cue up your Spice Girls or whatever you're into. Don't forget to poke the like button if you like the video, and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.